Hello and welcome to Bare Beauty Basics. Today I'm showing you a super simple everyday makeup look using my new Rhode Pocket Blush. This is a gorgeous terracotta red shade. I will mention the exact shade and all the product details in the description box below, along with the links to shop. Since Rhode isn't available in India, I picked this up from a shop called International Makeup. They carry great range of international brands at prices inclusive of duty, so you don't have to worry about extra paying extra duty charges. I have shopped so much from them. I have shopped Violet FR products from them, and I have shopped multiple products at multiple times, and the experience has been really smooth. Now I'm starting with this underpainting method, applying the blush first. You can use any cream blush for this, but today I'm using the Rhode Pocket Blush in the shade Toasted Teddy, which, by the way, has gone quite viral. Now I'm starting with the Natasha Denona High Glam Concealer. This is a very full coverage formulation, so I am using just a tiny bit, just three dots under each eye, a little bit on my bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, and the temples, and under the lower lip, under the lower lips, just for a subtle lift. Now I'm just going to blend it all using an angled concealer brush. The finish is so soft, satin, not too matte, not too dewy, just very skin like. I'll mention all the shades of the products in the description so you don't. If you want the exact shades, if you're of my skin tone, if you're anywhere around NC25, this is what will suit you. And moving on, I'm personally, I prefer, shopping through different apps. I'm not someone who goes to a store to buy. You can buy Natasha Denona products at Sephora India, and I have shopped so much from Sephora India app, and my experience has been very, very smooth. It's convenient. The delivery usually takes about a week, but I've never faced any issue. Sometimes the product goes out of stock, and Sephora India, the app will just notify you that it's out of stock and the order is cancelled. That happens sometimes, but not always. Most of the time, I receive my products. And my experience of shopping at Sephora app has been really, really good. Most of the times, I don't find the shades that I want. They're out of stock at the store, but online at Sephora India website or the app, I really find all the products. Moving on to eyes, I'm using this Makeup Forever Artist Pencil in the shade Endless Cacao. I'm just roughly sketching it on the eyelids and smudging it out. This pencil is incredibly easy to work with, very, very beginner friendly, and super versatile. Okay, I'm also using the same shade for all over my face this in this video. You will see, moving forward, I'm just, very roughly placing the pencil on my eyes and then taking a very fat, uh, blunt fluffy brush. I'm just blending it out, and the look is so seamless, so easy. You can choose to blend it with a brush or your fingers. I'm using the same shade to contour my nose as well. It has the perfect cool toned undertone that mimics natural shadows so beautifully. Um, you can see how, it has just made my nose look so much more sharper. And I love using this on a daily basis. If not anything else, just to contour my nose. Back to the eyes, just blending it out softly. No precision needed at all. You can even use your fingertips. You can leave it like this or layer it with any shimmer or eyeshadow on the top. This acts as the perfect base for an eyeshadow on top. This acts as a perfect base for also some soft, smoky looks. And I'm taking the same shade on my lower lash line also, okay, to add depth and make my eyes appear bigger. I personally avoid kajal on the waterline since I feel that applying kajal on the waterline makes my eyes look smaller. Okay, so if you have small eyes and you want your eyes to look bigger, you can use this technique which works so beautifully. Just take the pencil and line it under your lower lash line and smudge it with a brush or your fingers, and instantly it makes your eyes so much more awake, more open, and bigger. I'm slightly lifting the outer corners for a subtle doe eye effect. And I love this pencil to do my eyes, guys. This is so easy to use. You can even use a brown gel pencil liner. But I think this pencil is so creamy and beautiful to, work with for a longer period of time. Now, using the same pencil to contour my lips, especially around the cupid's bow, to create a natural shadow and give a fuller, poutier look. I'm blending out the edges softly. And yes, we are still using just one pencil for this entire look. Can you believe it, guys? I'm also using a brush. I'm using a flat, stumpy shadow brush, eyeshadow brush, to just blend it out and, remove the harsh edges of the pencil. And you can instantly see how beautifully it has contoured my lips. I'm also using it lightly to contour the face. It's such a great alternative, especially if you prefer precise, controlled application. I feel this pencil is just a game changer. It just, you can place wherever you want precision in your contour placement. If you struggle working with stumpy sticks, like thick contour sticks, or messy contour products like liquid contours, or chubby contour pencils, then try out doing it with pencils. Okay, and this pencil specifically, the endless cacao uh, shade by Makeup Forever, is the perfect tone. um, Now I'm going back to the blush, just enhancing it using the e.l.f. Putty Blush Brush. I love the duo fiber bristles of this brush. They give such a soft, diffused finish. And if anything looks harsh, I just go back in with a tiny bit of concealer and balance everything. Okay, I am taking a tiny bit of the same concealer, the Natasha Denona concealer, on the back of my hand, and going in with the same concealer brush, priming the brush like thoroughly, and then going in with, the same brush, covering up wherever I need to cover up, wherever I need to correct anything. This is kind of my eraser tool. Okay, so if I have any harsh edges of the contour or the blush or anything, I'm just smudging it out and, blending everything out. Makeup is all about blending and observing, taking your time, and you'll see how everything comes together beautifully. Nothing looks heavy or cakey. You can still see the skin, the texture, the beauty marks, and that's the goal of this look. Finally, um, for the lips, I'm finishing with Sephora Cloud Blurring Lipstick in the shade 01. It has a soft, blurred, balmy, matte texture, very, very similar to Violet FR's Bisou Balm, and it's such a buildable formula depending on how much coverage you want. So you can wear it sheer, you can layer it to get more coverage, to get more pigment out of it, and it's so comfortable. It's matte but hydrating at the same time. And that's the final look, guys. A very soft, everyday, no makeup makeup look that's super beginner friendly. You can always switch up the shades and make it your own. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos on my channel. And I will see you soon in my next one. Let me know what other kind of videos you would want to see on my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.